I decided to record this video to share a bit of my experience with Mitolyn over the past 3 months. If this product really helped me lose weight, what's the right way for you to use it to get results? If I had any side effects, I'll also share my before and after photos at the end of the video. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the before and after so you can see if I had any results, and then you can leave your comments, okay? I also have some alerts to share with you during the video. I want to mention one right at the beginning because otherwise I might forget later. I have some alerts to share with you during the video as well, okay? I want to share one right at the beginning because otherwise I might forget later. And that can harm you. The product is only sold on the official website to avoid counterfeits. Official website, okay? So it's no use looking for it in other places because you might end up on a counterfeit site and you could buy a product that isn't the original. There are some people doing this because they know that Mitolyn is selling a lot. So I'm going to leave the link to help you access the official site right here in the description below, also pinned. So I'm going to leave it here to help you out. You can access the site here in the description below, also pinned. In the first comment, I'm sure this product will arrive at your home safely, okay? The Myth is a 100% natural product in capsule form. So you will need to take this product. I'm going to explain it to you. You will see later on how you do this. But the most important thing is for you to understand that it's a natural product and it doesn't have any side effects. I'm someone who has allergies, so I have to be careful with what I put in my hair. I have to be careful. With my skin, everything I eat, so I was a bit worried at first, but I can assure you that I haven't had any side effects in these 3 months. There are some ways that can make us gain a lot of weight in a very short time. With my skin, everything I eat, so I was a bit worried at first, but I can assure you that I haven't had any side effects in these 3 months. There are some ways, some factors that can make us gain a lot of weight in a very short time. One of them is depression, anxiety issues. I was dealing with anxiety, emotional issues, and I developed binge eating, where I was eating a lot of junk food, just taking it out on my anxiety. Sweets, fast food. So that's when I started gaining a lot of weight, and I was ready to hit the gym, but I wasn't prepared. I was supposed to follow a restrictive diet, and I decided to look for a way, a capsule online, a pill that could help. And it helped me, and that's where I found the Myth there. I saw that some people were worse off than I was. I had a lot more fat on my body to reach my goal, and I decided to make my purchase. I found a really good price. Okay, it's the 6 jars. When we buy 6 jars, not only do we get free shipping, but we also get a much bigger discount. So I'm leaving the discount coupon for you, and my experience with Mitolyn. 3 months, I'll adjust the image for you. This product really works. My self-esteem has really gone up. I'm recording this video because a lot of questions arise before we buy a product. It helped me a lot. My self-esteem has really gone up. And that's why I'm recording this video here, because I know that a lot of questions come up before we buy a product. If it really works or not, then I'm leaving my testimony here for you. My experience worked a lot. You should take Mitolyn the right way to get results because it was tested a lot. My experience worked really well. You should take Mitolyn the right way to see results because it was tested a lot. It was studied a lot before hitting the market, and the correct way to take it is 2 capsules a day. You have to take one when you wake up. In the morning, you take 1 capsule, and then you take another one at night. So, a glass of water, a tea, a favorite drink. You can use this product the right way. It has to be every day because our metabolism will speed up. It's going to increase, and it will suppress our appetite. We're not going to have that craving for sweets or fast food, and that's why I'm recording this video here. To help you, even by sharing my experience. Okay, just a reminder, avoid falling for fake websites. What's out there about Mitolyn? The access is here. In the description of this video, there's already a discount for 6 jars plus free shipping. Okay, so I'm making this video here really to help those who want to lose weight, who want to shed some pounds. I'll be signing off here. A big hug and see you later.